We have hit 501 subscribers. Thank you very much, everybody. I appreciate it. Those that have subbed and left, without them, I wouldn't have kept on going. So thank you to everybody. As you can see behind me, there's a lot of things that have been going on. If you've seen some of my earlier videos when we first moved in here, this was a closet. I do have videos, not just of this being done, but of other things such as the computer, the water cooling leaking with the Phoenix series radiators that I've been using. There may be one on that. There may be something on that. There's other things as well that I might share with you, but I'm not promising anything. I just may start from scratch from here on February 10th of 2023 and just start filming different things from there and bringing that out to you. But I'd definitely like to hear exactly what you would like to see. So please put those comments down below and I will try to deliver that. We are a community. I would like to see what you would like to keep on seeing. So with that all being said, this is Chris saying out. I'd like to do a real quick shout out. He is with RDX and he sells solar panels. I will put his number down below and I hope you have as good an experience with him as I did, I should say my wife and I, when he came in and gave us different options.